Okay. Let's get started.
Can I be in your stream? She wants to be in your stream.
You can pick any of these weapons that I have here.
Oh, I want shots.
MP5, you can change weapons by hitting change weapon. Here.
I'm gonna use this.
If you hit secondary, you can change a weapon. Not that. You hit secondary. Well, if you hit agent one more time, hit it again. Hit agent again. Or that, yeah. Now hit secondary. You hit secondary. You hit change weapon, and you can change from like a Glock, UPS.
I get it.
A CZ. You wanted to play.
That's a good weapon. That's a good weapon.
The FAMAS. You can pick any of these. I don't have anything to those besides fist. Alright. It might take a second or not. It auto shoots for you, so don't worry. If there's nobody in the match, that's okay. It happens sometimes. Oh,
I killed him.
Lizzie, really? That's a one-shot kill, but it's hard to end. Also, guys, this is not me playing. This is my buddy, Parrot King, playing. So, you know, this is a quick FYI.
I don't have water. I'm not big and I don't need soda in it like you. I'm fighting with myself.
Hey, I thought you said it was a one shot.
Hit the revolver.
Yeah.
You have to actually hit them.
Oh, he's good.
Compared to me, trust me, he's not that good.
Put us on the street.
Back shot.
You put him against me.
Pumping the air?
What?
Yo, I got it. I got him, Ed. Oh. Come on.
They're really jumping on this one.
What?
Oh my gosh, this guy's using hacks.
He's not using axe, trust me.
He somehow shot me while he missed like all those shots. He shot me like.
You want me to show you how to?
Nah, I got it.
We'll see.
I can't get up ladders. I'm useless now.
Ladders don't go up them. They never. You always die.
Who's that? Who's that? That guy's a chicken. Oh, he came back.
What?
I jumped and I missed so badly.
No, I do that.
That's not. Oh, I found somebody, I think.
You can also switch guns mid-round if you want. You hit the pause button. And you can change weapons.
And this game has detailed reload.
So.
Oh, I was back shot.
No more smiling either. You just can't make noises.
This guy, I'm targeted by one guy. This guy. It's fine, bud. You're fine. You're fine.
You want me to show him who's boss?
Dang nabbit, that guy came in. We got a sniper right here.
Next time you die, I just want to do a quick, play with it.
Okay.
'Cause I haven't done this in a while. Damn. Oh, okay. So, this is one of the biggest problems I have with Kour.io. This is also one of the reasons that I stopped playing it, because mid-match, it would freeze. And you would be stuck like this. It doesn't unfreeze either, no matter what you do. It doesn't unfreeze. The only way to get rid of it is by basically going back all the way to here, researching it up, rejoining. Yes, it's first time experiencing this. I know. Okay, hold on. I should just try something real quick.
Sending hearts, guys. They love us. Ew, he's getting his finger in his ear.
Oh my god, I look lunch!
Did that guy use a hack?
No, just good chances.
Are these real people playing?
Yeah. Yes, this is real people playing.
Oh, I want to try this. Look how harder guy.
Yeah, I heard you giggling with us. Not. You do what?
It's despawned.
No, they never despawn. Gosh, dang, bro.
Okay, I try.
Yeah.
Why does this guy have a rocket launcher?
Alright, not trying.
You're so evil, guy.
But it takes a while to reload, remember that?
Yo, I like reload. Okay, I had enough.
Are you still live streaming, my brother?
Yo, you wanna meet my best friend?
Remember, it takes a second to reach him. So it's not instant impossible or dodge, you can still move away from it and survive. Teach you while you walk behind the truck. Do it all the time.
I was disconnected.
What is going on?
That's not allowed.
can do it.
You have 2 lives. Oh, freaking crap!
Yeah, watch your top finger, make sure it doesn't end recording by accident.
Hi!
Are we looking at that guy or her? Are we looking at us? Are we looking at him? Or looking at that guy? We're looking at you.
Ooh, he's good.
He's good, yeah.
Nothing beats a jujitsu.
You can choose any weapon that I have unlocked. The shotgun at close range is pretty good, but you have to manually fire. Stop running. If you want to run up to the window, stop running, jump, and then run out. Oil drilling.
You got me.
Eddie, you're smiling. He's already out. Okay, already out. He's like smiling.
He hunch.
I know.
You had like 3 shots.
What did I just
Gary's fat, we all know that, but, and you. So we all know that fact. I'm also fat.
It's your taste.
Where'd you get that from, man?
Eddie's out.
Yeah. That crazy, ugly.
At least I called you. Can I go? At least I
No.
At least I can pull the one. And I hear. And I just hear something.
Yeah, who did you pull?
Like all the old guys.
For all the other, for all the ugly guys, which is why you never pull me because I'm so beautiful.
Yeah, you like showing off home. Well, I'm showing off.
What? Albert McMillan, the ugly fat fuck. Oh no, I hate that. I would not. That was good. I would not. No, that.
Ooh, back shot.
Don't ask if I like that. I don't like that.
No, I said like that. Not,
I was just rocket launcher.
Is she dying?
I got a present for you.
Yo, I just got a shotgun. It's a close range weapon.
Oh, you're a whore. You're fat, you're ugly, you're smugly. You're pretty goddamn friendly. Yeah, you're ugly. And you're fat. And you're smugly. What is that?
Yo, this weapon's guaranteed better.
That's my leg, stupid.
Whoa! The black licorice in English is horrible.
Yes,
Oh my God.
Eddie, I agree.
It tastes like old coffee and cream.
Eddie, I agree. Black licorice.
Oh, sorry.
Yo, I got an RPG. You wanna mess with me now? Why ain't afraid of you.
Yes, I still want to make it.
Yo, the dodge is overpowered.
Oh, in the back of the fucking seat.
Yo, I can levitate him.
Someone's over there shooting.
So, I did.
You did not shoot, as you can clearly tell.
Yo, guys, who likes my weapon?
It's hard to hit.
You thought you were so slick, buddy.
Deagle kind of sucks, to be honest, but it's like the hardest gun to play with.
Nah, I got some mad kills with that.
It's just impossible to aim.
No, it's easy. Yo, Eddie, that's too easy. I already got a double kill with it. Very nice. Up, headshot. What? This guy exploded me. You need to leave. I ain't that bad for myself. I already got 21 kills, so I think that's dead. Yo, I just murdered him. I still killed him.
Yeah. 17-minute long video.
Oh, you're my friend. How would you like a knuckle sandwich? Oh, we got me. Oh, we got the Air Force 7.
I'm just going to drive a car and just hit somebody. Oh! Alright. Let's go! Go away.
No, I'm lagging.
You're lagging? How bad I lag? Oh, I don't like the soldier very much. Oh shit, it's really bad lag.
Yay!
You got some bad lag.
Oh, you got only AK-47s?
Yeah. This is a gun game. This means when you kill somebody, you get a better weapon.
Oh, that sounds pretty cool.
You gotta try to hit the top.
I got a minigun.
Oh, I love these guns. You wanna play with
I'm
this?
cooked. I'm
You want
cooked.
me to do it?
Nah, I got this. Want me, baby?
Shotgun kinda sucks.
Wait, what? Oh, I've been shot.
You gotta kill someone with a shotgun. It's like the hardest gun in the game to get a kill with.
Yeah, you thought you were slick. Oh, yeah.
Alright, let's go.
Do you think you can win with a shotgun?
Get a kill with a shotgun.
Oh, that's a pretty good one.
Won the game. Let's go. with every character in the game. I can beat him with most. I think the sniper is the hardest one.
I said, do you have all the characters?
No.
Can I try everything?
Oh, the sniper.
Yeah, can I try?
Why do you run like that? Why did we run like that?
Fuck.
Why did we run like that? It's just running all like that.
Once I get a kill with it.
Like that at the end.
We can get a kill. I have my chat.
You gotta use the actual fucking sniper rifle. Not just the deagle. Somebody's around the corner. What is this guy using? He's using a pyro.
Yeah. I just killed him.
Look, so long as you knew that.
Wow. Look at it. I'm the main character now. You're not.
I'm always the main character.
He's the main character.
Yellow head, red sweatshirt, blue pants.
Nah, I'm the main character. Yeah, I told you I was the main character. Headshot double.
Fucking don't.
Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm sorry, dude. I'm sorry.
We're having fun.
What? What are you having fun with?
No, I'm having fun with my friend.
Huh?
My best friend.
You.
I'm like you just pee on you. Was anyone talking to you?
What are you doing about that?
No.
No, what?
No one was talking to me.
You're right, nobody was talking to me. I don't. Literally
So
nobody.
don't get in our conversation and start laughing with us.
I'm not.
Ah, you literally.
You were actually, we weren't laughing with you, we were laughing at you.
Okay. Explain to me why the fuck I would give a fuck.
Now I'm the main character of the story.
I don't care.
Explain to me why I would do what you do, what I do. Explain to me why I'm here.
Oh, because your dad had a mistake and forgot to wear a condom. What?
Why are you speaking like that?
Oh.
Why are you calling me that?
They were making fun of me, trying to make fun of my back, you know?
Yeah, but you meant it.
You think I asked for that? Yo, I somehow killed somebody.
Hold on, give that to me for a second.
You sound like this creepy dog.
Alright, now shoot. Go.
Don't easily, no.
I think it brought that guy to the back room. I think it brought that guy to the back room. Oh, what am I doing? Yo, I got a flamethrower.
You just died. I would be laughing, but I'm dying. Yeah.
Let's burn these guys to crisp.
Pyro kind of sucks. I'll tell you how I know.
Yeah, I know. Whoa, chill.
Oh, boy.
Yeah, it kind of sucks. Oh my. Back shot. You like back shot. Try flamethrower one more time, and if I don't get a kill with it, yeah, I'm doing this thing again. Whoa! Oh, I got a kill with it. I'm never using it. You gotta get like close range with it.
Yeah. That's why I would like it. But again, you kind of go through walls a little bit, so.
Bye, Eddie.
Okay, fine. I don't give a heck. Let's end it now. Let's see what Peking has to say. Alright, you heard him. That is a massive fucking bison. Oh my god.
Sheesh,